flower or mock-up is highly necessary. The honorable juries, this research aims to formulate and evaluate cassava bean product to produce good quality bread that is acceptable to teenagers with celiac disease. His circumstances is a concentration on the production of cassava bean. Second, what is the effect of the duration of fermentation on the production of cassava bean? This research was conducted at the culinary lab of SMA Kayen on November 2024. This research used a complementary randomized design or CRD in combining variation in yeast concentration or R with fermentation duration or T. The research design can be seen as follows. The tools and materials can be seen as follows. The formulation of cassava bean ingredient consists of cassava flour, yeast, water, sugar, margarine, egg, and milk. Cassava bean is made by following steps. The honorable juries, the following image illustrate the physical form of the bread that has been made. Bread made from wheat flour has a more expanded compared to bread made from cassava flour. The table below shows the result of the organoleptic test of cassava bean under various treatments. In the observation of color, samples R2T3B, R2T3C, and R2T1A are the sample most preferred in terms of their texture. In the observation of color, samples R2T3B, R2T3C, and R2T1A are the sample most preferred of their color compared to the other samples. The brown color in cassava bean caused by the mild reaction and caramelization of sugar. In the observation of aroma, samples R3T3A, R3T3B, and R3T3C are the most preferred sample compared to the others. This is because the bread made from wheat flour still produces flowery and fishy aroma. Meanwhile, the bread made from cassava doesn't produce such aroma. In the observation of texture, samples R3T3B and R3T3C are the most preferred in terms of texture. Meanwhile, the other samples exhibit a brittle and inelastic texture. In the other samples of test, samples R3T3A and R3T3B are the most preferred sample compared to the others. Yeast concentration of 3%. Yeast concentration of 3% produce bread with desirable sweetness and beyond sourness prevails. The honorable juries, in this research, a cassava bread product was obtained which has the texture, aroma, and taste qualities that are preferred by patients suffering from celiac disease. A less-known gluten diet in patients with celiac disease is known to improve patient recovery. So, it is hoped that consuming cassava bean can help patients reduce the symptoms and signs of malabsorption. The addition of 3% yeast and a fermentation time of 60 minutes produces the quality of cassava bean most favored by teenagers with celiac disease based on texture, aroma, and taste indicator. The addition of 3% yeast and fermentation for 30 minutes produces the best cassava bean colors. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Okay, thank you for your presentation.